All right, everyone, welcome back. Thank you so much for stopping by. I greatly appreciate it. Thank you to all the new subscribers and everyone watching. So today, same old, working on pulling the home runs as I started a new unit. I didn't quite get to finish all the mud rings because the last room because we didn't get all of them in until late in the day, but I put most of them up at the beginning of the day. So I went ahead and pulled the home runs in this room and then started pulling the branch circuits, all the jumpers between the home run and the end of the line, end of the circuit. So this is the living room circuit going down the living room wall on the east side. So it's going from plug to plug to plug. So just sending the power from each box, and then next we'll be hitting the switch box right here, sending the power through the switch box, and then back down to the plug here in a second. Maybe I missed it, but it goes from switched, and I think there was a plug in between there. I might have got skipped. Back to the switch, back to the plug. And then this is another plug coming off the kitchen. It was supposed to be off the living room, but there's a column blocking it that's already sheetrock, so just hitting it off the kitchen. Microwave home run, dedicated. Range home run, dedicated. And then the kitchen, got all that completely done. So I pretty much got 60% of this room done. I did like the living room wall, finished the kitchen, and then I haven't even started on the bedroom and the bathroom. So finished the kitchen completely made up. Just kind of bouncing back and forth, staying busy. And then the home runs for the dryer along the top of this stud over here. It looks pretty decent. Got the dryer, washer, and the water heater going above, and then these two drop down, the washer and dryer. That turned out pretty decent. And then I just have to go on the other side of the wall and stub the water heater back through, as it's just sitting on the other side of the wall right now. Alright guys, thanks for watching. I really appreciate it. Sorry for the late upload. I had two different people come over to my house. One person to fix my leaking shower. It wasn't really leaking, but the water was escaping the sliding door, so I had them recaulk that. And then someone else came out to switch my laundry room door around. If you know, you know. But anyways, I'll make a house update video and show you guys how that's all turning out and what that looks like. So if you want to check that out, stop by. But anyways, thank you so much for watching. Appreciate it. Don't forget to check the description for social medias and stuff like that. Make sure to follow along on my Instagram, daily electrician YT. And then yeah, like the video and subscribe. It really help out the channel. I'd appreciate it. Love to see you guys back here tomorrow. Don't forget to hit the notification bell if you want to be notified when I upload or do live streams, or check out old live streams, because I'm going to be unlisting them just to not load up the channel with videos. So if you want to check out past live streams, check your email and then click on the link from there. I think that's how it works. So anyways, that should do it. Thank you so much. Stay tuned for union updates soon, so make sure to hit that subscribe button. Thank you guys so much. God bless. Have an awesome rest of your day. Peace out.